Democracy 101, brought to you by Democracy and Me, an education program of Cincinnati Public Radio and WVXU.
Over the last few weeks, you've probably heard and seen people outside marching and protesting and chanting things like Black Lives Matter or No Justice, No Peace.
Protesters? I heard they were rioters or looters. I'm getting confused. What's the difference, President Myriam?
It's okay. Allow me to explain, Congressman Kish. A protester is someone who is using their First Amendment right, the freedom of speech, to vocalize about an issue that matters to them. The issues that matter to protesters may be the same issues that matter to you. These issues can include the environment, human rights, voting, unfair treatment.
Okay. I think I'm beginning to understand, President Myriam. So a protester is someone who uses their voice to vocalize issues that matter to them in a peaceful way, right?
Correct, you got it. Think about the civil rights movement. John Lewis and Martin Luther King led the famous march from Selma to Montgomery.
Yeah, I remember learning about that. They were marching and protesting for their right to vote because at the time in 1965, African American citizens were technically denied the right to vote. I remember us discussing why voting is so important, so I understand why they did that back then. So why are people protesting today?
There can be hundreds of reasons why people might be outside protesting and marching. But the main reason why protesters are outside America today is because they are marching against police brutality. There have been many unfortunate moments in today's America where police officers have shown racism or violence against Black or brown Americans. This issue is important to people of all races, and even to some police officers, because Americans recognize that we are all human and we have to look out for each other. And that starts by using our voice.
Absolutely. We do live in a democracy, and that is a government ruled by the people. So when the people have an issue, they must use their voice to make things change.
Now you got it. What issues matter the most to you?
Personally, I feel strongly about homelessness. Look at this sign I made to use at the next protest about homelessness.
Wow, Congressman Kish. That is really powerful. What kind of sign would you make for a protest? And why would that be important to you?